Welcome. Today we're going to do a 5-minute meditation on Shamatha and mindfulness. We're going to take a comfortable posture in a chair or laying down, anywhere we feel comfortable. And we're going to take 3 deep breaths, releasing tension with each out breath, relaxing our eyes. This can be closed or half open. With each in-breath, we center ourselves, we focus. With each out-breath, we relax. And now we're going to establish a motivation, an intention to be able to do today's practice with attention and concentration. We're gonna take a few minutes to let the breathing be natural and observe this process without controlling it, without modifying our breathing, simply noticing it. We can count our breaths if we feel that this is useful to us. Now we are going to continue breathing, but we are also going to focus on what is happening around us. We notice any sounds, tactile sensations in our body. We notice our breath, visual objects, smells. We notice everything in our present experience, here and now. We are fully present and aware of any perceptions appearing in our sensory fields. Notice how these arise, remain for a moment, and pass. Don't grasp to any appearances. Let them pass and remain peacefully resting for as long as you wish. Thank you for doing this meditation with me.